staircase one. Okay. The components required for this this is bulb holder, and PVC pipe and switch. Okay. And you also need the connecting wires. The plug point is for your safety purposes. You are using it, and you are using screws and wires for connecting it. Okay. So in staircase wiring is mainly focused on direct connection and also cross connection. Direct connection is what we are using in day-to-day life. You're on the fans and lights in the labs, which is directly on this functioning. Okay. So cross connection is something that if you in your homes you will see in your portable really lights it. So when you doors lock பண்ணிட்டு what do you do? உள்ள light இன்னொரு switchல ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க. இதோட கனெக்ஷன் வைஸ் வர்ஸாக இருக்கும். வெளியில் ஆன் பண்ணுறதும் உள்ளே ஆஃப் பண்ணுறதும் ரிவர்ஸாக இருக்கும். எல்லா வீட்லேயும் இருக்குது. இதனால அது உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். வெளியில் போச்சுக்குள்ள லைட்ஸ் when you lock your house உள்ளே lights off பண்ணுங்க. So அது reverse connection. So that is the example for cross connection. Okay, normally you are using what you are using here is straight connection. An example for cross connection is what you are operating in your portable use. Okay. So let's see about what is straight connection and cross connection. How we are giving connection. So just take down the first diagram. So from supply you are giving to the connection to the bulb one end. From bulb another end you are giving to the where you are giving. You are going to the center part of the switch. Your switch has 3 terminals. Okay. You are giving to the center part of the switch, and from the second point of the switch, that is this point. From the second point you are connecting to this second point of the switch. Okay. From this first point you are again connecting to this first point of the switch, and from this center point what you are doing again, you are connecting to the power supply. So in your straight connection you are connecting the second point to the second point and first point to the first point. So that is a straight connection. Let us see the working condition of the straight connection. So just see, in your straight connection both the conditions are in off condition. What is the state of the switch? It is not blowing. What is the state of the bulb? It is not blowing. So just write it is off. If the switch 1 is in off condition, and if the switch 2 is in on condition, whether bulb blows or not, bulb blows. So the output of this is on, and when the switch 1 is in on condition and the switch 2 is in off condition, the bulb blows again. So it is on. When both the switch are in on condition, what happens? The bulb is off. This is the function of the straight connection. Okay, hope you all understood. Let us see about the cross connection of the switch. So let us see the cross connection. It is similar to the straight connection. So again you are connecting from the supply you are connecting to the bulb one end. Bulb second end is connected to the center part of the switch. In this cross connection what you are doing? From second point to you are giving connection to the first point, and from this second point you are giving to the connection to the first point. So your connection is cross. What you are using in your portable lights. Okay. So based on that, the other end is given to the supply. Okay. So let us see the working condition of this. So when both the switch is in off condition, what is the function? It's on. So when the switch 1 is in off condition and the switch 2 is in on condition, what is the value? The bulb is off. Next is when the switch 1 is in on condition and the switch 2 is in off condition, the condition is on. And third one, when both the switch are in on condition, when the third one, first one is in on condition, second one is in off condition, this bulb is off. And when both the switch are in on condition, the bulb is on. Okay, this is the function of the cross connection. Okay, the output of the first one and the output of the second one, just compare it and see, the function will be automatically reverse. இங்கே ரெண்டும் ஆஃப் கண்டிஷனில் இருக்கும்போது ப்ளோவாக இருந்தால் இங்கே ரெண்டும் ஆஃப் கண்டிஷனில் இருக்கும்போது ப்ளோவாக இருக்காங்க. ஜஸ்ட் கம்பேர் த ஆக்சுவலி. ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஆல் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இட்.